Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Raw Rise and Wise, and today we are going to see how we can import the data from a text file or a notepad file to the Excel sheet. So as you can see, we have a text file or a notepad file. So this particular data we are going to the import to the Excel sheet. So to import, first we have to go to the data tab. In data tab we have to choose from text, and from text we have to choose the data or the text file which is present. So import over here. Here we have two options, delimited options and fixed options. Choose the fixed option, the fixed width option, then go to the next. Here remove the additional lines, the arrow lines which you can see in the screen. You can remove it by double clicking on it. So you can remove all the unnecessary lines or columns from the data. Then yeah, there is one more. Okay, go next, then finish. So you have to choose the cell from where the data should start. So click on OK. So here we can see the data has been imported, but not in a clear format. So for that you have to just remove the symbols L. So for that you can choose to go to the replace option. So already I have copied that particular symbol, the L symbol. So replace all. Okay, all the symbols have been gone. So after that, remove the unwanted data. So by this you can form the table. So for more such videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.